What's up, everybody? So I'm going to call today Wisdom Wednesday. Why? Because, well, as I've been trying to get back out there in the business world with consulting and job hunting and looking for gigs and this, that, and the third, I noticed that, well, with AI now, it can help us solve a lot of problems and make us wiser. How do you ask? I'm so glad you're here for this video because we're going to get into just that. So, one of the things you can do is actually, depending on the problem, is you can prompt AI to act as a great thinker in the world, or you can prompt it to act as a collective mind of the greatest thinkers in the world and problem solvers with over 30, 40 years of experience. Because remember, it has all the information, not only that has been put on the internet, but throughout history and time. So if these great thinkers and great problem solvers that you're trying to have it emulate had a large following, as they say, or they were popular in history, such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Socrates, Plato, so on and so forth. You can go ahead and prompt AI to act as these individuals and help you problem solve, whether it's something dealing with your business, with physics, with spirituality, so much more. Now, the spirituality part, I would definitely suggest going and getting some books because it's a hit or miss with that. But with the business stuff and with the physics stuff, it's pretty much on point. So definitely take advantage of it. So here's the prompt as follows, and I'm going to do my best to go ahead and try to create it and put it down in the description area below. So this is the one I use. Hopefully you can use the same. Act as a collective mind of the greatest thinkers, problem solvers in the world with over 40 years of experience. Your job is to help me problem solve in the areas of, let's say, business, marketing, leadership, and how I can utilize AI within that realm. Do you understand? Once I hit enter, and with that, after entering that prompt in, it's going to go ahead and confirm that it understands and tells me exactly all the things that it's able to do. The second step that I want you to do is to prompt it by stating this. I want you to ask me as many questions as possible to go ahead and help me solve this problem in a speedy manner. Do you understand? Of course, again, it will confirm, and then it will go ahead and proceed to ask you as many questions as possible to help you problem solve in the areas mentioned, which you can switch out for yourself. Mines that I gave earlier were just an example, but just think about it. Let's say you're starting off as a new business owner, or you are a business owner, but you only have a couple people at your disposal and they're tapped out because you're bootstrapped. Well, with AI, you can go ahead and turn it into a director of marketing or a chief marketing officer or an operations officer or a sales expert or a business expert or coach or consultant with years of experience basing it on people from history that have a large following, i.e. that were popular, within from now's time frame to whenever of inception, let's just say, and go ahead and have AI assist you without the need to pay somebody and things like that. And if you're using something called Gemini, which was made by Google, which is the advancement from Bard, or ChatGPT's paid version, you have access to the internet. The reason why I mentioned Gemini is because you have Google's Workspace. Google's Workspace integrates with Google's Gemini AI. And once you're done with the questions and answer everything and problem solving, you can then, at the bottom of the screen, there's a little share symbol. It looks like a greater than less than sign with, or a brainiac sign with the three little circles. You're going to click on that. Now you can either create another link to share it with somebody, or you can export the whole conversation to Google Docs, and now it's saved within your workspace as a document, and then you could turn that into a PDF and put that in your company files or folders or whatever, and you could go ahead and now have a resource list for people within your business, for yourself. If they ever ask any questions or have any questions, they can go ahead and go to that doc. And if you want to, as a caveat, you could put the link to the entire chat at the bottom. And if they have further questions, because you as the entrepreneur, business owner, etc., prompted it and already told it to act a certain way, you can have them pick up where you left off and ask AI any question that they need to in order to accomplish the job that they're trying to do. Best yet, because they own YouTube, Google that is, you can also ask AI, Gemini, to go ahead and provide you with a list of free links to also help you problem solve and think critically when it comes to whatever problem or issue that you're trying to figure out. So if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and get more tips like this. And please, by all means, don't forget to like the video, because this is for you and others like you. And I'm trying to, help at least 1 billion people in the world, or at least make an impact to 1 billion people. And I think with AI and Google's market share, as well as all the other social media platforms, both of us together can unlock the freedom that we deserve. Yes? Because at the end of the day, what are you in business for? Is to achieve financial freedom, to live the life that you want to live. So all I ask in return is I'll help you to the best of my ability for free, as much as I can, on YouTube and social media, as long as they let me, as long as you go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button so that others like you can go ahead and receive the gift of freedom just like you. Anyways, take care, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.